The workshop actually it was fantastic. It's a all new experience for me. And again, franchise I tried in the past, so I was not actually successful. I have to admit that because I did not have the system in place.
Yeah.
So I completely surrendered in this point.
Yeah.
So this workshop actually opened my eyes in terms of how to the prerequisites like for all any franchise. So how we need to be prepared as a franchisor. So and what are the systems should be in place and how we need to approach. So all these things in a nutshell, now I completely understand, and I think there's a lot to understand still. But this helped me, and this actually threw a light, how a franchise operates, and how you can get through the franchise market. So it is really a wonderful experience, and thanks for all.